Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have square root of k plus square root of k is equals to k, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So we solved this problem for two methods. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method. So in first method, you focus into the left hand side and you see here two variable terms are added by each other. So when we add these two terms, it means that we add the coefficients of these two terms. So the coefficients of both of these terms are 1. After adding this, we get 2 times of square root of k is equals to k. And for the values of k, we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. So when you will take squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as 2 times of square root of k and its whole square is equals to k square. And in the next step, we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes 2 square into square root of k and its whole square is equals to k square. And further in the next step, we have this is the 2 square and 2 square becomes 4, and this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here k is equals to k square. So we have 4k is equals to k square. And in the next step, we move this 4k to the right hand side, and when we move 4k to the right hand side, it will becomes k square is equals to 4k. And for the values of k, we move 4k into the left hand side, and this is positive. When we move here, it will becomes negative 4k, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that both of these two terms involve k, so it means that k be the common term. So when we take common k, we get here the remaining values are, from here we get k minus, from here we get 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k is equals to 0, and the second case is we write k minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and for other roots we need to solve this value. We need to find the root from here, and we move this minus 4 to the right hand side, and it will becomes plus 4. So this is the value of second value of k, which we get here from first method. And now here in the next steps, we need to verify that is this value of k is satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of this value of k, we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is square root of k plus square root of k is equals to k, and we substitute both of these values here. So here we substitute k is equals to 0, and here we substitute k is equals to 4. So now first we need to focus on k is equals to 0, and when we put k is equals to 0 on both of the sides, it will be written as square root of 0 plus square root of 0 is equals to 0. And you see here square root of 0 becomes 0 plus 0 equals to 0, and we easily get 0 is equals to 0. So this shows that the value of k is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So k equals to 0 be the first solution of the given equation. And now we verify the second value of k. So we put this value on both of the sides, and it will become square root of 4 plus square root of 4 is equals to 4. And we know about that square root of 4 becomes 2 plus square root of 4 becomes 2 is equals to 4, and we easily get 4 equals to 4. So this shows that both of the sides are equal when we choose k is equals to 4. So it means that both of these two roots are satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about the solution set of this question is that the solution set is 0 and 4, because both of these two values are satisfied our given question statement. And now we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method, we need to copy down given question statement here. So the given question statement is square root of k plus square root of k is equals to k. This is our given question statement, and here I can just give you another smart method in which you can easily get the values of k. So here first in the first step is same on both of these methods. When we add square root of k plus square root of k, we get 2 times of square root of k is equals to this is k. And further in the next step, in order to find the values of k, we first focus into the right hand side and we write our right hand side into the product of two square root terms, and we write k as square root of k multiplied by square root of k. Okay, so when we multiply these two values, so square root are gone and you get k only. And further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve square root of k, so that we divide both of the sides by square root of k. So this square root of k is cancelled out by this square root of k, and in the left hand side we will get 2, and this square root of k is cancelled out by this square root of k, and we get a square root of k is equals to 2. So for the value of k, we need to remove this square root sign. For this we apply scaling on both of the sides, and we get here 2 square becomes 4, and this 2 and square root are gone and we get 4 only. So here we get the value of k is equal to 4. So in the second method we get only one root, and we already verified this value of k in the first method. So we finally conclude about the solution set of this question is that k is equals to 4 be the one solution of this question, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.